I'm constantly amazed in Brisbane at the amount of people that don't come and check out the really incredible places that we've got right on our doorstep. This week, we're going to take a look at one of those places. Let's get 4 wheels on the road and check it out. G'day, Shah here once again with 4 Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This week, once again, we're asking the question, go or no go? We're here at Wellington Point Recreation Reserve. We're going to take a bit of a look around the place and see what it's got to offer you. Let's go check it out. Wellington Point is right on 30 minutes east of Brisbane. It's a fantastic little area here actually. There's some great little shops and cafes available in Wellington Point itself. And if you wanted to come and check out the point, which we're going to take a look at today, there's a lot to do there as well. You've got a ton of different options for access to the water here. Just to my right hand side here, next to the main pier itself, you've got a 4-lane boat ramp. Also on the left of the pier, there's a 2-lane boat ramp as well. Both of those have vehicle access down to them. If you are specifically here for boating, you'll notice from the signage and the vision here as well that there's a ton of space for trailers and parking on site as well, which is really handy. Also further on down towards the park, which we'll head to in a minute, there's 2 different points there where you can access kayak facility to get into the water as well. So there's a ton of different options for getting into the water from here, which is fantastic. Alright, well it's time for us to go and take a bit of a look at the park now. Let's go check it out. There's a heap of these little covered areas also down on the far end of the point, which have got barbecues and central tables as well. And if you're walking your dog as well, there's lots of facility for that, with taps available for yourself and also for a dog as well, which is quite handy. It's a pretty well appointed little area here. There's toilets just in front of me here and also on the far side of the point. And there's also a small park here as well for the kids, so pretty nice little area. Another one of the really cool things that this park here actually has is the fitness equipment, which I think should be in a lot more parks in Brisbane, and it's actually started to appear in a lot of them, which is great. It's really cool to just come to the park and, you know, if you don't have a lot of money for a gym membership, or even if you just want to enjoy some exercise while you're at the park, it's a great facility to do so. Oh, I think I need some more work. As I mentioned earlier, along this little shorefront walk here, there's a ton of these little seating areas, which is really cool, and it's really well set out. And you'll see just behind me here, there's a really big grass area as well. So if you wanted to come down here and enjoy that, kick the footy around, play a game of cricket on the weekend, something, good option to do so. There's a great little central area here as well, which has got some giant figs, which is just to my right here, and also along the walk which goes along the waterfront. There's some beautiful smaller figs along here as well. So not only is it a great place to come and check out the sunrise, but it's also a nice place for a walk as well. One of the really cool things that I do enjoy about Wellington Point as well is you can come here at different times of the day. If you wanted to come here and check out the sunset, you can do so over the mountains in this direction. Or if you're here in the morning, as we were this morning, and you wanted to check out the sunrise, you can just head over to the other side of the point and you can check out the sunrise from over there as well. It's a really, really wide area, as you would have seen from your map before, and you've got a ton of different views you can get of the water here as well, which is fantastic. Another one of the cool little facilities they have here is that there's stairs down to the water. So if you're not too confident or able to get down the larger rocks just over there to go and check out the walk to the island here, you've got stairs to get down to the water, which is really handy.
One of the important things to note about the walk out to King Island is that you can only do it while the tide is low. So just take note of the tide times when you come out, as I've done this morning, and I was able to do the walk out to King Island while the tide was low for sunrise, which was fantastic.
Alright, well that's it from us here this week at Wellington Point Recreation Reserve. What do you think of the place? Let me know in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.